Andrew Garfield is an American-British actor. He was born in Los Angeles, California. His mother Lynn was from Essex, London, and his father Richard Garfield is from California. Garfield's paternal grandparents were also from the United Kingdom. Garfield's parents moved the family from Los Angeles to the UK when he was 3 years old, and he was brought up in Epsom, Surrey. Garfield's parents run a small interior design business. His mother is also a teaching assistant at a nursery school, and his father became a head coach of the Guildford City Swimming Club. He has an elder brother who is a doctor. Garfield attended Priory Preparatory School in Banstead and later City of London Freeman's School in Ashtead before training at the Central School of Speech and Drama, University of London. In 2011, Garfield began dating his The Amazing Spider-Man co-star Emma Stone sometime during production of the film. In 2015, they were rumored to have broken up, although no formal statement was released. Garfield has dual citizenship in the United States and the United Kingdom. In 2009, he told the Sunday Herald that he feels equally at home in both the United States and the United Kingdom and enjoys having a varied cultural existence. The 2018 Cannes Film Festival marked the premiere of Garfield's next film, the David Robert Mitchell director Neo Noir Under the Silver Lake. In it, he played Sam, an unemployed and weird young man who sets out a journey to find his neighbor who has mysteriously disappeared. Garfield's sole film release of 2017 was The Biopic Breath, in which he portrayed Robin Cavendish, a young man paralyzed by polio. In preparation, he interacted with victims of the disease and collaborated closely with the Cavendish's wife and son. In March 2018, Garfield reprised the role of Pryor when the Angels in America production transferred to Broadway for an 18-week limited engagement at the Neil Simon Theatre alongside a majority of the London cast. He won the Tony Award for Best Actor in a Play for his performance. Garfield played the role of Pryor Walter in Tony Kushner's two-part play Angels in America at the National Theatre London in the Lyttelton Theatre from April to August 2017. At the performance was broadcast live to cinemas around the world in summer 2017 through the National Theatre Live series. He made his feature film debut in the 2007 ensemble drama Lions for Lambs. Also that year, his performance in the television film Boya earned him a BAFTA for Best Actor. He came to international attention in 2010 with supporting roles in the drama The Social Network, for which he received BAFTA and Golden Globe nominations, portraying Eduardo Saverin, and the science fiction romance Never Let Me Go. Garfield subsequently gained wider recognition for playing Spider-Man in the 2012 superhero film The Amazing Spider-Man and its 2014 sequel. In 2016, Garfield starred in historical dramas Mel Gibson's weird drama Hacksaw Ridge and Martin Scorsese's religious epic Silence. His portrayal of Desmond T. Doss in the former earned him nominations for an Academy Award, BAFTA Award, Screen Actors Guild Award, and Golden Globe Award, all for Best Actor. In 2014, he co-produced and starred in the 2014 independent drama 99 Homes and reprised the titular role in The Amazing Spider-Man 2, following a deal between Sony and Marvel Studios to integrate the Spider-Man character into the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Sequels to the latter film were scrapped, and the role was later taken on by Tom Holland in a reboot.